Okay, for the disclaimer, I see everybody used some kind of lotion in their hair, but I just recently looked that up. I did this on my own because I needed some kind of heavy cream, and I finally, I just did it, you know, because I just wanted to see what it would do, just testing the theory of different things. So I used Dove body cream. Body cream in my hair, and I do see, don't get me wrong, that people do use some sort of lotion, and I just found that out. So I'm not claiming that I found this ideal at all, which I never searched that no one used Dove. Remind you, Dove body cream. So me, I'm a Dove girl. So I use Dove body cream for my hair because, believe it or not, I'm allergic to this. Like, on my skin, it dries my skin out, and it dries my face out, my body in general, but my hair loves it. So that's weird to me. My hair loves it, but so this is what I use on my hair. So that's my secret ingredient, y'all. And you'll see how my hair just loves it. Look at that. Oh man. And it really changed the texture of my hair. Overall, that cream is so thick. Can you see that? It's so thick and I love it, and no other cream can come that far for me, hair cream at all. This is the only cream that I use, and I'm put a little coconut oil to make my twisties. But can y'all see that? So I'll be back, and I'm gonna fast forward through this while I section it off. I don't know, I got this thing just working it through. So, okay, I'll be back.